I have all the tips and advice for painting your bathroom floor. It's all part of my video series on a no demo, reno in the bathroom. And here's all the supplies that you're gonna need for this bathroom floor project. We need to make sure this floor is clean. So the first thing I'm gonna do is sweep the floor. Next, I'm gonna tape off the perimeter of the floor. This includes going around the toilet, the bathroom vanity, the tub, the shower. I'm going to use frog tape. It has a great strong adhesion, which makes it ideal for hard, durable surfaces and gives you super crisp, clean lines. It's time to start painting. I chose the color Pearl Gray. Let's open it up and take a look. Before we paint, it's always a great idea to give it a good stir, even if you just got it mixed from your local Ace. This base coat adheres to surfaces without the need for sanding, priming, or stripping. I'm going to paint in the far corner of the bathroom and then work my way to the door. This way I don't paint myself into a corner. And here's an Annie tip. When painting a large floor like this, paint sections at a time, keeping a wet edge and rolling a W or V pattern. Make sure you reload the roller frequently because you'll want to make sure to get all the paint into the grout lines. Only one coat is required, but if a second coat is desired for more durability and uniformity, wait till the first coat is dry, which is around 1 to 2 hours, before you apply that second coat. And once you've covered the entire floor to perfection, wait 6 hours before moving on to the next step. This can is labeled step 2 and it contains the top coat. This is the sealer that's going to protect the floor that you've just painted. Speaking of protecting the floor, I highly recommend that you pick up some of these cloth shoe covers. This will prevent any dust or dirt from getting onto the floor that you just painted before you apply the top coat. When you're stirring this product, you're gonna see that it's a milky white consistency. Don't worry, it dries completely clear and will give your floor a nice shine without changing that color. For this step, I'm gonna jump right into the roller and get as close as I can to the edges. Just like when we painted, I'm gonna start in the far back corner, working in small sections all the way to the door. And once you're done, wait 24 hours for it to fully dry before you start walking on it. You might be wondering how to clean the floor now that it's fully cured. It can be cleaned with a mild soap and water or a general purpose cleaner, such as Crud Cutter. If you think this floor turned out great, keep watching to see how I used a different product in another color and I used a stencil. That video is coming up next.